Greetings! So we out here. We found a wonderful space with running water, electricity, blender, fruits, and then us, of course. NEB, Be Right Nature, out here at the beach. Life is good. And of course we have concocted, yay! Tickly, 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 tickly. I call this my womb healer today.
Yes.
Because that's what I'm in need of. With moringa, grapes, a mix of blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Oh, excuse me. But don't.
Raspberries.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay. We got the frozen kind because we wanted it to be cold today and a little quick and easy because we are on the move as we always are. You know, we're on our bikes and stuff. And bananas. Can't forget those. A little spring water. And we out here. Yay! Thank you, Source, for providing water, electricity, beautiful beach, beautiful nature. And yeah. Oh, he said beautiful woman. And yeah, I'm gonna come back with some more stuff because I have a lot to share and I have been assigned the task to do so. To begin sharing and talking, and for the one who is searching and listening.
Yes.
I have much to give. It's right here though, at Moringa. If you haven't done so,
check it out.
Yeah.
Super food. That's really super.
Yeah.
It's all around.
Yeah. So I was in a little chat with the females, the sisters, earlier today. It's like as soon as I said something about speaking to sisters, all of a sudden they just came out of nowhere. They was like, oh, we right here, girl. What's up? What you got going on? So we all started to begin talking, and I shared about the moringa. So I can't remember by heart who it was that wanted to know. You know, there it goes right there. This is the kind of we got out of the vitamin shop. I'm pretty sure you can get it from any type of related store, like the vitamin shop. I can't really, or of course online you can order it. See the brand. This one was the cleanest one. When we say clean, meaning no extra additives. It is strictly ingredients. It is strictly certified. I'm trying to get that clear. I can't really get it clear. Certified organic moringa. Nothing extra to it.
Oh yeah, but what is that so?
Of course, the packaging is not going to tell you the true nutrients that this provides.
No, they don't really know.
But yeah, because they don't really know. But this is a healing super. That smoothie tree that we need to know more about. So do a little bit of research on moringa, its workings, its usages. Try to get the most credible source that you can find. And yeah, we out here. Give thanks. People is the problem.
Yes.
People always been the problem.
Yes.
Check that song out on all platforms: iTunes, Amazon, NEB. Respect Our Minds Part 2. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. So pretty. Oh yeah, that's about gone. Got a whole nother jug. Yeah. I'm putting in the cooler on some ice. Yeah. That'll be gone first thing by tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
On the straw?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe said nah. He just goes full force. He just goes in. This guy.
Oh yeah.
It's
all that beauty. There's a lot of beauty right there.
The water's pretty back there.
That is so beautiful.
That water's so pretty back there. It's life. Get out and explore. Move around. I'm just sitting in the same space for years and years and years. Like, That is just very damaging to the spirit. When it really wants to move around and see stuff and do things. As the earth plane is our playground. Let me get some of that. Oh. Look at them pretty colors. They're so pretty. That banana just changed the whole flow of it. The first batch I had, I didn't want banana in. I wanted to have just the grapes and the berries.